merong umorder sa atin sa Shopee, no? Ayan, Shopee. Big shoutout kay Isolin, no? Maraming salamat at nakita ko itong order ninyo. I'm going to accept this. Today is November 19 ng gabi. And ano oras ba? It's 9:05. Tomorrow, November 20, I'm going to fix your order in the morning. Mapipick up siya ng tanghali or after lunch. I'm going to give you free organic lemon, Ma'am Isolin. And you are from Muntinlupa. Next day delivery lang po ito. So, November 20, ma-accept yung mapipick up. November 21, please expect your order that you're going to receive it, no? Muntinlupa lang po kayo. So, bukas, ang pick up, November 20 to 21, marireceive nyo rin po, no? So, just a quick video para sa inyo. Maraming salamat. I'll update you tomorrow. God bless you.